Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese veg sandwich, easy method. Start by layering grated cheese and sliced tomatoes between 2 buttered bread slices, then season with salt and pepper. Heat a skillet over medium heat and toast each side until golden and cheese melts. Press gently with a spatula for even melting. Serve hot with chutney or ketchup and enjoy the simple, satisfying flavors with minimal fuss. Gather all ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Grate the cheese finely so it melts quickly and chop vegetables into even slices for balanced layering. Butter both bread slices lightly to get a crisp golden exterior when toasted. Preheat the pan so the sandwich cooks evenly without burning. Assemble just before cooking to avoid sogginess and enjoy a warm, crunchy sandwich every time. Keep the heat moderate to achieve a golden crust and fully melted cheese without charring the bread. Use a weighted spatula or plate to press briefly for even contact and quicker melting. If the exterior browns too fast, lower the heat and cover the pan for a minute to finish melting. Let the sandwich rest for a short moment before slicing to keep fillings from spilling and to enjoy cleaner bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.